Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to unplug Hyundai Ioniq 5. Start by parking and shifting to park, then stop charging from the car or app, confirm the charger displays stopped, and check that the connector is unlocked before you touch it. Keep fingers away from metal contacts, press the release button fully, then gently pull the connector straight out and close the charge port. Begin at the charge port and press the release button on the car or charger until you hear the unlock click. Hold the connector housing firmly, not the cable, and pull straight out with steady pressure to avoid bending pins. Inspect the connector for debris, wipe if needed, and neatly coil the cable before storing to prevent kinks and tripping hazards, keeping everything tidy and safe for your next charge. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders perfectly, which is great when you're waiting for a charge. I love its leak-proof lid and convenient carry handle for road trips or charging stops. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always check for moisture and avoid forcing the connector if the latch feels stuck, as that can damage the port or plug. Never disconnect while the charger shows active charging or error lights, and if you see frayed cables, burn marks, or hear unusual sounds, stop and report the issue. Using a little patience and basic inspection keeps the car and equipment safe and helps prevent costly repairs or electrical hazards later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.